The 20-inch caged ceiling fan by Depuley combines safety and style with its dual safety cage design, ensuring protection while adding a touch of farmhouse elegance. With both remote and app control, this fan offers modern convenience by allowing easy adjustments to speed, timing, and direction, making it accessible for users of all ages. Featuring a reversible and quiet DC motor, this fan efficiently manages airflow in any season, enhancing energy efficiency and providing a serene environment. The fan includes 4 E26 LED bulbs that emit a warm 3000 Kelvin light, creating a cozy atmosphere and saving you the hassle of purchasing additional bulbs. A 5-year worry-free service ensures customer satisfaction with free replacements available for any missing parts or accessories, making it a reliable addition to any space. Though assembly is required, the detailed instructions provided make installation manageable, or you can opt for professional assistance to ensure a safe setup.